currently short in pound dollar, euro dollar, and Kiwi dollar. I am standing by right now for an additional take profit here in pound dollar. If we can get a little lower here, as you can see, prices delivering to the sell side currently. This is my execution charting as I'm watching for a potential break of this 1 hour swing low right here. And this swing low is also in conjunction with this area here, which is a rebalance of this bullish fair value gap here, and there's a swing low here on the 1 hour chart. Price can redeliver below this swing low here. I will shift back over to my analysis charting. If this doesn't, charting will start here on the daily chart. This is yesterday's candle. This is day before yesterday's candle, and you can see yesterday's candle trade above the range of day before yesterday's candle, and then close back inside the range of day before yesterday's candle. This gives me a sell. Additionally, this blue line that you see here, this is the weekly high of last week, and that here yesterday was also swept and closed inside of. So for the whole trade here, I'm targeting the low of the week, which is down here, which would have been on last Monday. But I've taken partials early in the range, and then I've left a runner, or leaving runners for these positions here. We've got price creeping down a little bit, but still not close enough to take profit here. Then let's come down to the 1 hour chart. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see price action setting up here. I've parked this a bit on the high side here, right there. Okay, so we can see with price action here on the 1 hour chart, what set this up is their price action here. Actually, we're getting a little close to take profit here. We've got price action here deliver to the sell side here, and then putting in at this level here a market structure shift here to the sell side, and then you can see additional levels of body candle closures here, and additionally we're going to take profit here, or near there. What's the low here? Is 939. So we're approaching that level now. So you get this price action where you're getting these body candle closes below these swing lows here, and you're getting these, which are bearish fair value gaps here, or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies. So seeing this on the 1 hour coupled with the daily sweep of the previous day's range, then this is showing the sell side bias along with a sell side trending market, along with sell side trending market conditions. So this is what I want to trade here, and then you can see price, after putting in this trending price action here, pulls back here to the buy side, and now has begun to redeliver here to the sell side. And while doing that, you can see putting in a high, putting in a low, putting in a lower high, lower low, lower high, and now looking to put in a lower low here. In addition to that, you can see on the 4 hour chart here, with this being the area of interest here of the daily candles, you can see price here deliver to the sell side, put in a bearish fair value gap, balance that out with a bullish gap here, and now redelivering here to the sell side. and the 15-minute here delivering to the sell side. Overall here during the New York AM session, and you've got sell side delivery putting in a high, a low, a lower high, lower low, consolidating lower high, and again here lower low. And price here still struggling a bit. We got that lower low in, so 939, and then it put in a 29. So it gave an opportunity to just, maybe if I had not been talking and looking, I would have probably taken some off there, but I think if it's going lower, it's likely still going to go lower. And price just delivered here to the buy side here. So I would anticipate if price is going to pull back now, or this would be an odd place to pull back, even though it just reached that liquidity level. So price can most certainly deliver back to the buy side here. So I may have missed that take profit opportunity you can see here. But the spread is about 13 cents. So I think I may not have reached that take profit on the bid-ask spread. I got really close, and that does happen quite a bit. So I'm going to let this work itself out one way or the other, and until then we'll shift over to the other pairs really quickly. So here on euro dollar, starting here on the daily chart, similar price action to pound dollar, where this is yesterday's candle and this is day before yesterday's candle. Yesterday's candle breaks the range of day before yesterday's candle, but closes inside the range. This gives me a sell side drawn liquidity. And then if we come here to the 1 hour chart, I'll put my Fibonacci up here. So you get this price action here on the 1 hour chart. Following that sweep, you get this body candle close and a series of body candle closes here below these swing lows, and you're getting these, you get this bearish fair value gap right here. Price pulls back into my limit entry here, which is a retest of this 1 hour order block, and then price redelivers here to the sell side, putting in this bearish fair value gap right here. And then here on the 4 hour chart, you can see this being the area of interest on the daily chart, and price putting in a bearish fair value gap similar to pound dollar, but I don't know, is that a balanced price range here? Let's see, 150, low, no. So unlike pound dollar, this doesn't rebalance that range, so it just stays that very low positioned bearish fair value gap here. And then you can see price continue here to the sell side, even putting in a body candle close here below this 4 hour swing low, and potentially putting in a bearish fair value gap right here on the 4 hour. And then you can see here on the 15-minute, this price action this morning, sell side delivery, lower high, lower low, lower high maybe, yeah, and now lower low. If I come over here to my execution charting, here you'll see where I've been able to, where I got the entry here during the London session. Here is price pulled back into this order block, and then price delivered here to the sell side, and then I'm able to take a series of profits here as price trades into areas. So as price swept this would be an area of interest here, and the rebalance here of this bullish fair value gap, and now you can see price still legging down lower. My entry here on the 5-minute, and then you can see price here delivering. You can see take profits, and now I've just got the last bit hanging on here for any potential take profits. Pound dollar seeing a bit of a return to the sell side there. Kiwi dollar. Similar setup to pound dollar and euro dollar, where actually let's head back over to pound dollar. It may be about to get back down to that level. But if it goes this time, I don't want to miss it. Let's see if it'll go. No, but everything else is moving. So I'm going to head back over to Kiwi dollar, and then likely by the time I get back over to this, it may be ready to take profit or even better. So over here to Kiwi dollar, similar setup as I mentioned to euro dollar and pound dollar. Here on the daily chart, where you have yesterday's candle and day before yesterday's candle, and yesterday's candle trades through day before yesterday's and then closes inside the range of day before yesterday. So this signals a short drawn liquidity, or a sell side drawn liquidity for me. Here on the 1 hour chart, you're seeing these areas where these swing lows here are getting body candle closes below them. Also, there are a series of bearish fair value gaps or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiencies here. So showing trending market conditions on the 1 hour chart. Then you get this pull back into the order block here on the 1 hour. And then you can see the overall sell side delivery here. Here on the 4 hour chart, this being the area of interest here on the daily, you can see price, similar price action, delivering to the sell side, and then some type of consolidation pattern here, but no fair value gaps like the euro and the pound dollar pair had. And then here on the 15-minute, you can see overall this morning a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. You get this shift here, and then now putting in a lower low, so putting in another shift here. So this is here on this hourly candle, pretty interesting here, looking pretty aggressive here on the sell-off for this current hour. And then here on my execution charting, you can see price pull back here on the hourly to this 1 hour order block. I take an entry, and then you can see the low coming in, and I'm taking partials as price is trading into these 1 hour liquidity areas. And then here on the 5-minute, you can see entry here, a little consolidation, and you can see just overall price action here, just sell side delivery, some serious pullback here, and now some serious sell side delivery to match that. And let's head over to pound dollar to see if I'm able to take that profit. And pound dollar getting much closer to that profit taking. So this profit, since I missed it here, I can take it here at this level here, or can take it here at this level here. I could take it now if I wanted to, but I'd rather wait until it got a little lower into either that previous liquidity zone or the current liquidity zone. Seeing that sell side delivery coming in here. And we can see there's likely going to be a bearish fair value gap forming here on the 1 hour chart based on current price action. If it continues, so I'm going to take 50% off. So at these levels, I've taken 50% off at every level. So partialing aggressively and then leaving a runner to cover the range of the trade. So with these, I believe all of these may have a weekly range. So I'll let the runner cover the weekly range. If not, then all of these positions, the stop loss has been moved to break even. All right. Price is still not quite ready to give that take profit, so I'm gonna let it sort itself out, and when it's ready I'll take that. But for now, I'm just gonna be patient here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com.